If you are stuck on what to create or where to start, I just want to tell you, you have everything that you need. Allow me to share with you how to turn your advice, your experiences into your first digital product. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose your first digital product idea and why you already have everything you need to get started. So let's jump into step number one. Audit your skills and your life experiences. Now, you can start off by writing down the questions people ask you the most, from your personal business life to your lifestyle, whatever the questions that people ask you, write this down. Step two is once you have all those questions, choose one to create your first digital product. That's right, your first digital product. And you're going to start with a quick win product for yourself, something easy to create that you won't overthink. And the fastest type of digital product to create is going to be an ebook, or guide, or a mini masterclass. And then the third step is that you got to validate the idea to make sure people are going to pay you for this product. And you can start off with asking a question or sharing a tip related to that product, or ask for feedback of your new product, asking if this is something they will be interested in, or you can pre-sell it, already put a small, low dollar amount on it, and see how many people buy it in the pre-launch stage. Now, if you're ready to take your next step on creating multiple digital products, then I definitely want you to start with this free guide. It is Find Your Digital Product Offer. In this free guide, I break down what you should sell, how you should sell it, even when you're just starting out. So go to coachsimplify.com/SS Path so that you can download this free guide. Well, that's it. You are ready to create your next digital product. All right. I'm Alease, and I help professionals 40 and older create their first digital product the simplest way possible. Talk to you later.